noise of the midnight crowd, chasing shadows, hearts speaking way too loud. Then you walked in like the moon cut through the dark. One look from you and the whole world lost its spark. You're the quiet after every storm I've known, the only place that ever felt like home. Every heartbeat saying your name, every second without you feels the same.